Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Irene DeRay.
Happy birthday to you.
Let me get you two. Let me get you two to the candlelight.
And
Let me get you two to the candlelight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Desiree Irene. Okay, you guys blow your happy birthday to you.
Blow your motherfucking candles out, right?
Blow the candles out, bitches. Watch out, watch out.
Did y'all take pictures of the cake?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, damn, y'all got some good lunch. Shit, I would have been like them.
Happy motherfucking birthday, y'all 20-year-old bitches.
You seen it? They ran out at the same time.
D.
Babies on there.
D.
Hold it. Get out my picture. Get out the
D.
picture.
How does it feel to be 20?
Fine. Ready? Move. You laughing at me?
Look at the zit.
No, I'm laughing at Nubia. Hey, roly poly. Laughing at Irene. Roly poly. Wait, one more time, Irene.
These paparazzis. Just kill somebody to turn 20.
Okay, D. Okay, one more.
What is that back there?
Wait, one more for yours.
Who is that? Let's see him.
Wait, I want that one.
I look like Tanya.
Look at Hazel Rosie. That's a compliment.
The homie died. Ryan done.
The speakers, and I don't even know why. I wasn't mad at anything or everybody.
Oh, girl.
Irene, how's it feel to be 20?
Good. Now I can do whatever I want for real.
God damn it.
Okay, Q1.
The smartest guy, he has so much talent. And he has so many things going for him.